welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be installing these T10 LED bulbs on my NS200 in the front as a pilot lamp, which has a halogen bulb as default. So you can use it on any bike or any scooter or any car which has a T10 socket. So I got it on Amazon for $100. So if you want to buy it, I'll leave the link in the description below. So guys, these are the two halogen pilot lights. So guys, this is the pilot lamp which will be changing now. So you don't need to remove the front assembly to change the bulb on the NS. You just need to pull the bulb here, which I'll be doing it now. And it is a bit hard to remove the bulb, but it will come out eventually. So as you can see here, this is the halogen bulb. So guys, just pull out the halogen bulb slowly and it comes off, and install these T10 LED bulbs. So I have installed the lights now. Let us check it real quick. So I switched on the bike and it turns on, and if it does not turn on at the first go, you need to change the angle of it, and there will be a positive and a negative, so you need to just turn it around and then put it back in. So guys, I'll turn off the bike and then put it back in, and then I'll install it on the other side as well, and it's the same on the other side as well. I'll show it to you. So guys, I've installed the pilot lamps on both the sides. Now I'll turn it on and show it to you. So as you can see, the LED looks very cool on my bike, and I do recommend it to you if you have a halogen default bulbs. So let's move to that number plate lights. So guys, the T10 bulb is in here for the back number plate, and we need to remove the screws over here. There are two star screws here. I'll be using the star bit screwdriver. So guys, now I've removed the screws here. So you just need to pull it back to get to the socket here. Pull the socket and it comes out, and here is the halogen bulb. So now let's check it by turning on the bike. As you can see, it's working. So guys, now I have installed the LED at the back as well. I'll add some night shots so that you can know the difference between the halogen and the LED. So guys, I've even installed the LED indicators. I forgot to mention about them. So these are from AliExpress and it's available on Amazon as well. I'll leave the link in the description. But the installation was not done by me, and the wiring part was a bit difficult, so I got it done from a mechanic. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below, and do subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for my next